What happens when you combine carbon dioxide and water? That's the question we're going to use the sim to figure out the answer to. And because I can't show you the atoms, they're too tiny, we're going to use the sim as a model. So in this model, we're going to combine carbon dioxide, which we know is CO2, and water, which we know is H2O. Take a look at what happens to the atoms. So you can see they're kind of bouncing around. They break apart, but then notice that all the atoms combine together. They rearrange, which creates a substance called carbonic acid. And we want to know, is that a chemical reaction? To take a look, we look at the atoms, the groups of atoms. We have a CO2, an H2O, turning into a group of H2CO3. And we know that if the groups of atoms before and after the reaction are different, that means a new substance was created, which means yes, there was a chemical reaction. Remember, in every single chemical reaction, we should have a new substance. So that means the groups have to be different before and after. So I'll just show you this slide. We started with um, a group of three atoms, another group of three atoms, which rearranged using the same atoms in a different order to create H2CO3. And carbonic acid has different properties than carbon dioxide and water. Um, that name might sound unfamiliar to you, but actually, we probably have seen carbonic acid before because carbonic acid is what we put into drinks to make them fizzy and carbonated. Um, and one application of this is scientists are trying to figure out, like, is carbonic acid bad for you? Um, so far, the evidence shows that it's not that bad. But the sugar in soda is a whole different story. So that's one application of chemistry.